In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Chase debit PIN number. By the end, you'll know 4 easy ways to update your PIN so you can keep your account secure and access your money without hassle. Let's start with the ATM method. Head to any Chase ATM and insert your debit card. Enter your current PIN to sign in. From the main menu, look for options like Change PIN or More Options and then Change PIN. Type your new 4-digit PIN. Confirm it a second time, and wait for the on-screen confirmation. Changes usually take effect right away, so you can do a quick balance check afterward to make sure the new PIN is working. Prefer your phone? You can use the Chase mobile app. Open the app and sign in. Choose the account linked to your debit card, then go to your card settings. Look for a menu item labeled Change PIN or Update PIN. Enter the new 4-digit number, confirm it, and complete any security verification the app requests, like a text or email code. Once you see the success message, your new PIN should be active immediately. If you don't see the option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If you'd rather talk to someone, call Chase customer service using the number on the back of your card. After you verify your identity, simply say you want to change your debit card PIN. The representative or the automated system will walk you through setting a new PIN and confirming it. Keep your card nearby during the call in case you need details from it. When you're done, test the new PIN at an ATM for peace of mind. You can also visit a Chase branch. Bring your debit card and a valid photo ID. Let a banker know you want to change your PIN, and they'll help you update it securely on the spot. This is a great option if you're having trouble with other methods or prefer in-person assistance. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Avoid birthdays, repeating digits, or simple sequences. Don't write your PIN on your card or store it in plain text on your phone. If you enter the wrong PIN multiple times and your card gets temporarily locked, give it a little time and try again, or use one of the methods we covered to reset it. And after changing your PIN, test it at an ATM to confirm everything is set. That's it. 4 reliable ways to change your Chase debit PIN quickly and safely.